Hi there, I'm Michael Coleman. I'm just in central London and there's this lovely 1987-88 F-Reg Porsche 911 in black, obviously, and it's obviously a daily driver still, which is all the better, not just being put away in some garage somewhere, not used. Oh, the leather's really good. Black leather, piped in red, very 80s. It is, I'm trying to see if it's manual or can't actually see. Difficult to see in the, let's have a quick look back. The wheels are in very good condition. They've obviously been restored. In fact, the paint on the whole is in very good condition for the age. 911 Carrera. Got the big whale tail fin on the back. I'd love to have a look. There we go. In fact, it's not very clean, but...
And Michael, I'll take a picture.
Oh wow, that's fantastic. And yeah, it's not very clean, but it's a very straight car. And looking at it, I can't actually see a gear stick or... Oh right, it's actually a dial by the look of it. I've never seen that ever. That dial there has got... That is what they're using as the gear stick. You might be able to see on it. Look at that. That's neutral. Oh, Phoenix. Reverse. There we go. And look, there's the dash. There we go. Beautiful car. Especially if it had a clean. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Please do like and subscribe. And classic Porsche. Yeah.